Magento GST India extension by Meetanshi auto-calculates and applies GST on Magento store products according to Indian government rules and regulations to make your store GST ready. Let's see the extension configuration. First of all, go to System, Configuration, Meetanshi GST India. Enable the extension. Set yes to allow buyers adding their GST. Enter your business GST, SIN and PAN to show in various order-related documents. Set GST rate for all the store products and specify minimum amount to apply the set GST rate. Add different GST rate to apply on orders below minimum set amount. Add your business origin state in India. Select how you want to show product prices in catalog. Upload signature image and line to show in invoice PDF. Now configure shipping GST settings. Select Enable to apply shipping GST on orders, set how you want to calculate shipping prices and save configuration. Now let's see Magento GST India in action. Add a product to cart and proceed to checkout. Select country, state, add zip code and click to estimate GST calculation on order. Now, select shipping method and click Update Total to update shipping GST on order total. You can see GST and shipping GST applied on order. Now proceed to checkout. Add billing information, shipping method and select the payment method. You can see GST bifurcation in order view. Click to place order. Move to My Account, My Orders, View Order to view details of the order you just placed. You can see detailed GST calculation here such as applied GST rate, shipping GST and others. All the GST related details such as product HSN code, buyer GST, GST rate, etc. can be seen in order email as well. Once the order is placed, GST related details can be seen in order documents in the back end. Let's go to Sales, Orders, Order View and create invoice for the order. You can see GST bifurcation in order invoice. Now move to Invoices tab and open the invoice and print. Open the PDF, where you can see GST details such as GST, SIN, PAN, GST calculations, signature image, etc. Again move to backend, click to create order shipment. GST details are also seen here. The extension is compatible with credit memo as well. Create credit memo where you can see GST details with refund options. So what are you waiting for? Get GST extension and make your Magento store GST ready. Thank you.